Dozens of women reported unwanted pregnancies after using an app specifically designed to prevent pregnancies. Natural Cycles is a Swedish contraceptive app that uses body temperature and menstrual cycle data to predict whether users are more or less likely to get pregnant. But in 2018, a number of women requested abortions at a Swedish hospital, citing that they used this app as their primary contraceptive method. But not all pregnancies mean that the app's predictions were incorrect. The app also relied on users consistently taking their measurements, entering good data, and abstaining or using protection on days that the app identified as high risk, which means that the effectiveness of the app didn't just depend on the machine learning algorithm that made the predictions. It also depended on good quality data and everyday user behavior. And we all know that users are not perfect. People can sometimes miss days, or they may enter their measurements in less than ideal conditions. And in fact, this was one challenge that was cited in the media reports that I reviewed. And when I looked at this, it made me think, what happens when the system gets less than ideal data? Do users understand what that means? Do they understand what that does to the predictions? Would you take a highly complex, probabilistic medical prediction and simplify it into green for go and red for no go? That simplifies the user experience, but it also creates an interpretation gap. A user may see green and think, hey, this is safe, when what the system is actually saying is you're at a lower predicted risk. Those mean two different things, and this distinction becomes really important when you have predictions that is dependent on information that is missing or inconsistent. Now, it hasn't been established whether or not Natural Cycles adequately warned users when missing information affected its predictions. So I can't say that this is a failure on the app's part, but this was the system's principle that I was thinking about when I looked at this incident.